celebrate another birthday at Grandma Auto Repair, and so today I found a bakery in Puyallup that says they sell gluten-free, so we're gonna see what they have. Wana Cupcake Bakery in Puyallup. I'm super excited. Because I just found a whole bunch of gluten-free stuff. If you have a gluten allergy and you're looking for a place, Wana Cupcake in Puyallup is the place to go. They also have a drive-thru.
Happy birthday to